Where all those rocks are right there on that hillside. Thinking to place a geodesic dome and also utilize the rocks within the hill to build a rock home. This is the orchard and over. Since we are pruning in the spring, any of the pruned branches will have buds on them right now. So the buds are being collected so that those don't go to waste. I mean, you collect buds this time of year anyway, but typically you would prune trees like this in the fall months so that by this time so there's no energy putting into created buds that are going to get cut off, basically. But all these trims haven't been trimmed for a couple years. Apple trees, apricot trees, walnut trees, plum trees, peach trees, pear trees, cherries. Lots of fun. Making some fruit wood activated charcoal.